Okay, today I'm going to be giving my 1929 Buick an oil change. Let's get started. So I went to Harbor Freight and I bought 15 W40 oil for my Buick. Let's go down there and we'll take it to my grandma's house and change it there. I'll be back. Okay, here we go. There's the Buick. I left the door open because I ran in to grab something. Okay, let's go. Okay, and I made it to my grandma's house. It is dark outside now. Here's my penny farthing bicycle and my water heater. Okay, I found a bucket to hold the old oil. It takes 6 quarts of oil. And I also found a wrench. Let's get started. Okay, this isn't 6 quarts, but I'm going to have to drain a little oil into there and then put it back under there. So here is the condition of the old oil that is in the engine now. Let me go ahead and show you. It's that color, which is really not too bad, but oil to an engine is like blood is to a human. The more you change the oil, the better it is for the car. If you see some drips on the other side, that is the water pump. I forgot. You know what? Actually, let's remedy that really fast. Oh, I've got to close this side of the hood, of course. We're going to pack that with grease. There, now it won't drip anymore. Okay, now we're going to loosen the oil drain plug, and I cannot touch that pipe right there. That is the exhaust manifold. That will be blazing hot. That's gonna fill up rather fast. Wonder if it smells like gas. No, it smells good. Okay, well, we'll let this drain now. Okay, we're gonna put this oil that we've collected so far into this bucket. Okay, time to drain more oil. I should have gotten another washer for that. Dadgummit, a copper washer. Actually, I may have bought one at Harbor Freight because I bought some to fix something else. Okay, the last of the oil is draining. So I actually bought this at Harbor Freight. One of these actually should work. Okay, the oil is drained. And I've put the new fiber washer on here. Let's go ahead and screw that in. Hopefully that seals okay. It wasn't sealed last time very good. That's why it would occasionally drip oil and mark its territory. That may drip. Okay, now we're going to put 6 quarts of oil in this engine. So this time, instead of 5W30 with zinc additive, I'm just going to use 15W40 for diesel engines, which will be good for the old seals in the engine, and it has zinc in it, which is good for the tappets and the valves, or the tappets and the lifters. Okay, let's go ahead and put this oil in there. Okay, we're currently pouring oil, one-handed. Okay, that's about 5 quarts right there. Now we'll get our second bottle. Okay, we've added the oil. Let's check our oil. I've already wiped this off. And it's there. It's at full. It's hard to see because it's new. Okay, let's start the car and check the oil pressure. That's the oil pressure right there. That's good. It should sit at around 10 idling. Yep, that's good. It's burning off the oil that I dropped on the exhaust.